Powerball. What you need is water, a bowl, the 2 molds, and the crystals. And you start off by pouring the crystal slowly into the mold. Okay, now shake them all down. Now, since they're all shaked, you put them in the water. Okay, what you do next is you grab this empty bowl, you put one slowly inside, you hold it, and then you slowly get the water, and then you start to pour it. Do we put it all the way to the top? Okay, so you grab more. Okay, do I just dump? Okay, now you get the other one, and then you hold them, and then we wait 10 minutes. Next step is we slowly take out the molds and then place them onto the side on the tissue. So let's do that. Let's pick this up, put it over here, pick this one up too, and put it over here. And now we wait 10 minutes, and then we can open them up and then let them dry. Okay guys, I'm gonna remove the balls out of the bowl, but my dad's gonna help me because it's gonna be hard.
Okay, let's pry them apart so we can see that they can be hard and sticky. Ooh, look, looks like we have to trim it a bit. Can you try to get that out? I opened this one. This one expanded a lot. Try to pull them up gently so they don't break.
No, it seems a bit hard.
There we go, there's one. Now let's put them here, that one to dry because it's sticky. And here's, what color? Here's one, the round one. What colors did you make it?
What is the middle one?
Looks like white and green.
White, green, and purple. White, green, and purple.
And I got this other one. This other interesting shape. But it looks like we have to trim a bit when it dries. So let's put it somewhere here so they can dry even more because they're super sticky. Okay, we'll be back when they're all dry and Michael's playing. Right, Michael?
Yeah! Okay, guys, we're back. And let's see how they bounce. If they dried up, so let's bounce them. subscribe, and before I go, I will remind you guys to stay good.